Hello and welcome for another update on my little tank build. I haven't done everything I wanted to do. I'm still waiting for help to fix the brakes and the electrical system. But what I have done is I have made a gear shifter, and I have attached the gas pedal and also attached the brake cylinders. So, and I'm gonna have a gas wire going from here into the tube, so all the way here. I'm gonna have this flexible tube and then attach it to the gas pedal. And I have made the floor. It's a wood floor, and attach this one. I'm gonna be connected to the turret, and over there you can see the gear shifter, and it runs in that tube. See if you can see if it works. Yeah, it works. And here I have a turret ring, and I'm gonna take a motorcycle chain and weld it on the inside of the turret ring, and have a crank device so I can turn the turret, or I maybe just put handles on the inside and you manually push the turret around. I haven't decided yet. This is a mess. Electrical system. So, and we have the seats, and everything is working. Looks like it anyway. So I'm not gonna do any major stuff this year because I'm between work, so I have to calm it down a bit with the building. But if you like my work, please subscribe and push the like button, so I'll keep you updated if I do anything more. Take care. Bye bye.